So we're going to install a chain-driven roller blind into our Pelmet 95 that I have before me. Just prior to doing that, I want to talk about the motor, if you've got one of the Automate wire-free motors, exactly where to position the P1 button, I'll explain that. And also, if you are doing linked blinds, then iSeek Blinds have done the hard work. We've already positioned all the intermediate bearing brackets. So if you just watch the how to install linked blinds videos, then that'll sort of take you through the process. But keep watching this and then refer to your linked videos and that'll help you. Now, the P1 button with the motors, and you would have heard me talk about that a lot in the motor programming in the motors videos, is this little button just right there, okay? Now, it's more important than ever with a Pelmet 95 that you keep that button in the down position, okay? So with a Pelmet 95, the male bracket that connects to our head of our motor, that's the male bracket there, the bracket always hangs in this straight up and down direction, just like that, okay? So with the P1 button in the down position, that is exactly how it's going to go. And if I turn that toward you, you can see the P1 button facing downward. So that's going to give me accessibility to that button. It's no good if I go and put it upside down like that, because it will fit in that position, but you're not going to be able to get to it, which is no good. You'll end up taking the blind out. So think of that P1 button to start with. Now, that's how we do it for a right-hand motor. If we do a left-hand motor, then the best position is actually that same position there, and the P1 button here is facing in the down position. If we try and bring the P1 button toward us like that, then it's too difficult to get to, and you can't get underneath it from the Pelmet. So try and keep that, and be aware of that to start with, but keep that in that down position there for a left-hand side. Okay, so now we've talked about that. This is a chain-driven roller blind here. We talked about in the installing videos that we've got to keep that plastic cover over the chain drive in the straight up and down direction, so you'll be able to see, you can perfectly read the writing. It's no good if I fit the chain drive like this, or you know, if I fit the chain drive like that, you can see the chain's not going to come out. So it's got to hang evenly, and that's more important than ever with the Pelmet 95. So if you keep it in that straight up and down position, when you present it to the male bracket, which is kind of a bit hidden, can you see how I was able just to get that straight in position? And now with my pin end, I just push it straight up like that, so that's done. Now, my blind will now roll up and down perfectly and look great. So I hope you can see that it's all that easy. Thanks.